Hi you guys, if you want to learn how to make my easy and delicious coconut shrimp, stay tuned. I have exactly 1 pound of shrimp here and I'm just going to peel, devein, and butterfly them. Now if you wanted to leave the tails on your shrimp, you certainly can, but I decided not to. You could just use your personal preference. Now when you're deveining your shrimp, you want to take a sharp knife and just split the back of the shrimp and just go ahead and clean out anything that you may see in there. And then when you're butterflying, you're just pretty much going to go along that same line. You don't want to cut completely through the shrimp, so you want to be careful, but you're just going to go down deep enough to where the shrimp is opened and flat. Just like that. So once I was done deveining and butterflying my shrimp, I went to the sink and gave them a good rinse and making sure that they were all nice and clean. And then I just seasoned them simply with some salt and pepper. I didn't want to use anything pungent or heavy with the shrimp because I wanted the sweetness of the shrimp and the sweetness of the coconut to come through. So I just used something simple, just some salt and pepper. But if you wanted to kick up your flavor a little bit more with more spices, you certainly can. So I have my dredging station here. You saw me put the shrimp in the flour first, and then my egg wash, and then the coconut flakes. And I continued this process until I completed all of my shrimp. So now that my shrimp are all complete, I'm going to go ahead and fry them up. Now I decided to do a shallow fry, but if you have a deep fryer, you can certainly use that. Either way, you just want to make sure that your oil is not too hot because that coconut will burn. Now I mentioned earlier that this is unsweetened coconut, which I would highly suggest you use because if you use the sweetened coconut, it obviously has sugar added to it and it will burn on you. So you just want to cook your shrimp for about a minute or two and give it a good flip, keeping a good eye on it, making sure that it doesn't burn. As you can see, they're beautifully golden brown. They're completely done. So I just took them out and put them on a lined baking rack. So prior to filming, I just made a simple and easy coleslaw. I just used a pre-shredded bag, and then I put in some mayo, some dill, some cumin, some apple cider vinegar, and some salt and pepper. Super simple, super quick, and super easy, and super delicious. So for the dipping sauce, I just used a bottle of sweet and sour sauce, and then I went ahead and plated up my shrimp. Don't they look good? They look so good, nice and golden brown. And then I garnished with a little bit of parsley to make it pretty. And that's it, you guys. And I highly suggest you eat these when they're hot. To me, that's when they're the best. That's when they're the juiciest and the crispiest, and they are so good, you guys. I hope you give them a try. I hope you love them if you do. And until next time, I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.